Here Comes Cookie is the 1935 comedy. 1935 comedy. And this stars George Burns and Gracie Allen, who we all know. This is going to be a tough movie to try and explain. What I'm going to say here is George Burns is a wealthy guy, and his fortune is being deeded to Gracie Allen, who is now newly rich, but she becomes convinced that the family is going broke. So now it is pretty much a bunch of misunderstandings, if you will. It's a bunch of misunderstandings. George Burns and Gracie Allen are fantastic. They have chemistry like no other. They played many different roles together in films from what I've seen, but I say that I've only seen these 3 films because those ones I own. It's a movie where you know it's going to happen. It's fine, but it's just not as good as Six of a Kind, which is a movie that I watched last night, as a matter of fact. But I'd already seen it, and I love it. This movie I thought was just okay. The comedy didn't really work as well in this one, and if I'm not mistaken, Six of a Kind came out, yes, Six of a Kind came out in 1934. 1 year or maybe just a couple months before that. But it's a fine movie for what it is. If you enjoy George Burns and Gracie Allen, you're going to enjoy this movie for exactly what it is. I'm going to give Here Comes Cookie a B. Now let's get into Love and Bloom.